will receive the ICC Champions Trophy 2025 trophy. From Mr. Jay Shah, the ICC Chair. Can I ask the Indian team, once again led by Rohit Sharma, to once again come up to the stage and accept the trophy from Mr. Jay Shah. The 2025 champions of the ICC Champions Trophy. Congratulations to India.
Absolutely special moments. It doesn't matter how long you've played. If you're Virat Kohli, you're Rohit Sharma, one of the veterans of the side, or you're one of the newbies, one of the rookies, one of the backroom boys. Such a special occasion. Plan such a long way out. You hope it comes to fruition. You weather the storm, and when it comes to the crunch, you come up trumps. And that's exactly what India have been able to do in this edition of the Champions Trophy. Wonderful performance. Pretty much every team came here to try and knock them over. Pretty much every team did not do it. With the exceptions of a couple who didn't make it to Dubai, they triumphed over everybody in what has become a favourite playing ground for them. Celebrations will go on into the night. You look at their squad and you think, my goodness me, they didn't even play Washington Sundar, Rishabh Pant. They talk about the depth that they've got up their sleeve. It is quite prodigious, and it's quite scary for those other nations around the world to think what's coming through. Special talent. An iconic shot there behind the Champions logo. Brilliant, absolutely brilliant for their fans who support them so loyally. Win, lose or draw, they keep coming back for more, and more often than not, they keep getting rewarded. I often think it's a bit of a waste, but there'll be plenty more to come. They might be about to take it out to the middle of the pitch. They might even take it around the ground for some of the fans, because there's still a multitude of fans here, and maybe a lap of the ground is in order, or maybe not. He's going to plant it in the middle of the pitch, Hardik Pandya, and his teammates will gather out there as well for another iconic shot. As if to say, what's all the fuss about? It was always going to be ours. Those shots will be seen on the internet and all sorts of websites around the world. When you've got it, you can flaunt it. Brilliant, absolutely brilliant. Shah Patel, such a quiet achiever in the side there, part of that photo. And the veterans who won't even venture out that far, I wouldn't think.